Hi everyone, this is Ben Sondgeroth with the Learning Technology Center of Illinois. Today we're going to learn how to create an assignment in Google Classroom. So you're probably logged into Google Classroom right now and you're in your stream. So at your stream you used to be able to create assignments from here, but not anymore with the 2018 update. So in order to do that, we're actually going to go to the Classwork tab. So inside of Classwork, we now have the ability to add many different things to send out to our students. So for the purposes of this video, we're going to actually create an assignment. So in order to do that, we're going to go over to Create, and then you can see you have a host of different options here. Okay, so I'm going to select Assignment. Now you see Kami Assignment, that's because I have the extension Kami added to my Chrome browser, and I also have the full version of Kami that allows me to send out PDF assignments through Google Classroom. If you don't have the full version of Kami, that won't be there, so if you don't see it, don't worry. So I'm going to select Assignment, and you can see my assignment window pops up. So to attach an assignment here, what we can do is we give it a title. You can give your students instructions. It doesn't have to be there, but you do have to give it a title. Instructions are optional. Then we go down, you have point totals, due dates, which I'll assign this a due date of tomorrow, and then topics. Now we're going to get into topics in a future video, but it is important to know that you do want to organize your classwork page by topics. So for this, I'm actually going to create a new topic called World History and add that. Then down here, you see that you have the ability to add in attachments, Google Drive files, YouTube videos, and links. So for this, what I will do is I'll actually go up here and grab a new YouTube video that I want to have my students watch. So this is a YouTube video that actually turns the 95 Theses into a rap video, which is pretty cool. And then we'll go here to YouTube, select URL, paste that in, and add it. Okay, then I also maybe want to add in a link for them to research. So again, I'll go up here, find this Martin Luther fact sheet that I want them to read, copy the link, go back to the page, paste the link in, so now they have a resource to use. And then lastly, we're going to actually open up a Google Drive file. So I found my 95 Theses rap music video Google Doc that I want to attach to my assignment. So I'm going to click Add. You can see here that it comes up. Now this is where it gets cool with Google Classroom because we want to figure out what we want to do with that file. So because I want all of my students to fill this out individually, I'm actually going to go over here and select students can, or make a copy for each student. Now if I selected students can view file, they can see it, but they can't actually do anything to it. Students can edit file means that all students are going to be able to jump into that doc and edit it at the same time, but what I want to do is make an individual copy for each student. So now I've got a video, a link, and a Google Doc, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to click down here and see my options. So my options now are to assign this immediately, schedule it out to go out at a certain time, or save it as a draft and I can come back and work on it later. I also can go up here and assign this to multiple classes if I want to. So if I want to send this out to the World History class, I can do that as well. I can also select the students and send this to specific students in my class. I only have one student in there right now, but if I had more, I could actually individualize this and send it out to particular students or groups of students. So a lot of good options. I'm going to go ahead and click Assign. And now it has assigned itself out. So you can see it's organized under the topic World History down here where it has the Reformation. So now if I want to view that, I'm going to click on it, see that I have one assigned, 0 turned in right now. If I want to see it in more detail, what I'll actually do is go down here to View Assignment. And now this is where I can see all of the student docs will appear here. If I want to check into writers, I can actually click on it, jump right in, and now I can see writer's document that he should be working on. What's really cool about this is that if I wanted to provide feedback, I have the ability now to look over here, give it a grade in the side window, add a private comment, but I can also edit his document, drop in different ideas, concepts, add in suggested editing, or add in, drop in comments instead of just suggested edits or adding it in. So really cool stuff. Once he's turned it into me, this this return button will become blue, and I can give it a score and return it back to him. So that way he sees it again, he sees his score. But of course he hasn't done that yet, so that's not an option. All right, so that is how you create an assignment inside of Google Classroom. I hope you found this valuable. There will be more videos in the future, so look out for those on how to do more things in Google Classroom. So thank you for watching, and follow the LTC on Twitter, LTC Illinois, and follow me on Twitter at Mr_Sondgeroth, and also check out the LTC online at ltcillinois.org. All right, once again, thanks for watching.